Hello everyone, it's me MarriPaw. I'm gonna to show you how to install Deadtale on your phone or Android computers. So yeah, I'm gonna to show you first on the Play Store that I really have Deadtale on my phone. There you go, Deadtale Online Island Escape. People should have it on their library. If they don't, it's strange. So you can install it, but I want to install it in another way. So I want to let people play it too, not only me. Alright, go to your browser. Alright, once you reach it on my page, you see Basedog Deadtale Marri apk.apk. Download it. On this device. Alright, once you finish to install Deadtale, you can look and click it to net-based.Deadtale apk. On source you have to activate, okay, and start. And now open. Wow, this is Deadtale, ta-da! So you can play Deadtale on your phone without installing your Deadtale on Google Play. So I can clear it because it's already on my Google Drive, so I don't need it anymore. You can connect it with your Google Play. There is a fake account, so I'll show you it's very neat. I can even say my account has been disabled like 30 days before. So ta-da, you can play Deadtale, yeah! So